Hi, Timmy from Timmy's Tips here, and I'm wearing a hood to a different sweatshirt because it's raining outside and I couldn't find a hat, but it's comfortable. So anyway, I'm gonna have a tip for you right now on how to tighten a nut while holding the other nut with one hand. Tape comes in really handy sometimes. Actually, I use tape a lot. I mean, like, all the time. So, let's get started. Okay, I'm back. So, we're gonna put this nut on the end of this screw bolt to hold this support on, and it has a nut of its own on the other side of this metal piece. Therefore, it's going to take two tools to, I mean, people can do this with their hands too, but hands, plural. So, I've got the lock nut on, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. See the two nuts there? Outside and inside. We're gonna put this 12 mil wrench on the inner nut, tape it to the support itself so it doesn't move. Not like that, but hold on. Like this. Like that. Put another piece on just for good measure. And we'll be good to go. All right. So now, I'll show you. Is taped on, and trying to hold the tripod at the right angle. Okay. Do that over there. Okay. So, my goal is to tighten it with the ratchet, have the wrench hold it in place. It's working. Huh? The wrench is staying still because of the tape. And I'm successfully tightening the nut on the support, and with no help, because I'm that way. Who needs help when you can do it yourself? I mean, sometimes you need help, of course. But in this case, voila. No, let's get the tape off the thing. It's kind of tricky. Sometimes tape doesn't want to always cooperate. All right, come on. So, it works. See? Tighter than tight. So, that's how you tighten a bolt, or I mean, a nut with another one on the other side that spins while you're tightening the first one. That's how you do it. So thanks for watching. Tune in next time for another crazy tip. Thanks. Bye.